Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Where today we'll be what should we do? We'll be drawing something. Yeah. I can speed run it. I know how to do that. But I think it's only using the Do You Recorder. I'm not too sure. But anyway, let's get started.
So wait, then we're starting, yeah. See guys? Yeah. We'll be drawing, how to make a stripe play button, so yeah. You saw my card, come on. I'm really like a pro thing? Like it's ridiculous, like, yeah. I think you guys can't hear me, because it's going fast, right? I'm not too sure, but I know it takes longer than this. And your screen is going to be lower, so yeah. I made that song when I saw the Chihuahua movie. The first time. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I made that. So far, it's pretty dumb, but I don't know, like a rainbow one type of thing. So yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah, it looks like so far. I think I can edit my videos with the camera. Yeah, I think I can edit it. Yeah. Yeah, where's that song right there? Guys, you can choose whatever color you want. I'm choosing what colors I want. I'm using green this time. You see, guys? Mama? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Pues ya está haciendo video con mi cara. Whatever, guys. It's so cool. Oh, that's rad. Yes. It goes up and down. I'm just kidding. I think you guys have it already, so I won't prank you. But at the same time, it's good, right? Oxboy! Oxboy!
So guys, this is how you make a striped play button. You have to put like these things if you want to hang up with nails. I'm hanging up with nails, so yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification button to my everyday video. Go check my other channel called Super Gaming Justin 2.0. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, and I hope you all have a good day. Peace.